Hello students, welcome to the reasoning class. Today we will study the topic classification. Now what is classification? In reasoning, classification means to find the odd one out. In such type of problems, some items are given. All these items are similar in some manner except one. We are required to find that different item. Now let us understand this with the help of an example. We are given a question. Choose the word which is different from others. Now in this type of problems we will be given words. The words could be name of animals, name of days, name of sports items, name of musical instruments, like that. Now if we observe the given words carefully, what are the words? Cat, dog, fish, cow. We see that cat, dog and cow lives on land, whereas fish lives in water. So this fish is the odd one out. So the answer will be option C, fish. So we have to see a relation which is there in all other option which is not present in one of the option. So in this way we have to do classification. Now we will study different types of classification. In classification we get different types of question. First is word classification. Word classification is the classification that we have just discussed. That means in which we are given 4 words and we have to select the different odd one out word. The words will be from a same category, like here. See which words are given? Cricket, badminton, tennis, hockey. All these words denote sports. Now, if we observe carefully, we see that cricket, tennis and hockey we play with ball, whereas badminton we play with shuttle. So, this badminton is the odd one out. Option B, badminton, it will be the answer. Now, next type of classification is number classification. In number classification, we will be given different numbers and there will be some relation in the given numbers and one of the number will be different from that relation. Now, consider this example. Question is find the odd one out. We are given number 10, 22, 18 and 7. If you look them carefully, you will see that these numbers 10, 22 and 18 are even, whereas the number 7 is odd number. So this number 7 is the odd one out because it is not following the rules which is there in all other 3 numbers. So in number classification, you have to see the numbers carefully. They may belong to even numbers, odd number, prime number, composite number, so like that. Or they may be multiple. That means the numbers could be, they can come in a particular table. So they can give us multiples of 6. That means all the numbers will be there in table of 6 where one number will not be there in table of 6. So you have to observe the number carefully and see that what is the relation in the given numbers. Now next is our letter classification. Letter classification is the classification in which we are given the English letters, English alphabets. It is based on the English alphabets. Now for such type of questions, it is always helpful to draw this table. In this table we have shown the order. This is the forward order and this is the reverse order of the alphabets. This table will be very helpful in solving letter classification questions. See, what is the order of letter A? 1. What is the order of letter J? 10. From reverse side, what is the order of letter Z? 1. What is the order of letter U from reverse side? 6. So, if we will take help of this table, then the letter classification problems will be very easy to solve. Let us consider this example. Question is choose the letter or group of letters which is different from others. Now we are given a group of letters. 2 letters are given. LM, Just see LM in this table. LM. They are coming together. They are consecutive letters. PQ. PQ are also coming together. They are also consecutive letters. RS. RS are also coming together. They are also consecutive letters. Then XZ. Now see, XZ are not coming together. Y is between them. So these are not consecutive. That means this is the odd one out. All other groups are following the pattern that they are consecutive letters. And XZ is not a group belonging to consecutive letters. So the option D, XZ will be the answer. Now next classification is mixed classification. In mixed classification we have questions in which numbers and letters are mixed. So let us take an example. Question is find the odd one out. We are given number as well as letter. So it is a combination of number and letter question. Now in this type of question also this table will be very helpful. Many times the questions are given according to the order of the alphabet. See M13. If we see the table we will see that the order of M is 13. 15 O. If we see the order of O it is 15. 17 Q. If we see the order of Q it is 17. That means the question is based on that the number is showing the order of the alphabet. Now if we see the next D option 18S. If we see the order of S, what is the order of S? 19. So it is not correct. So this option is odd one out because it is not following the rule that the number is written of the alphabet. This 18 is not showing the order of S. So this 18S is the odd one out. So for doing such type of question, it is always helpful to draw this table. Now next type of classification is figure classification. As the name suggests, in this we will be given different figures and there will be some similarity in the figures. Only one figure will not have that similarity. We have to select that one. Now if you observe these figures carefully, you will see that this figure is divided into 4 parts. This figure C is also divided into 4 parts. This figure D is also divided into 4 parts. Whereas this figure B, it has only 2 parts. It is being divided only into 2 parts. So this figure is the odd one out. So the answer will be option B, this figure. I hope this topic is clear to you. Thanks for watching.